Hi guys, with another video. Today I'm gonna open this Le, Lenovo monitor, as you see here, right there. All right, this is the one. It was good, but its screen wasn't showing anything. I think it's something wrong. Let's see, open it and see what was the wrong. I mean, actually, my intention is not that only that what's wrong. I want to see how they made it. So that's the reason. This is the one. Lenovo monitor. Let's go ahead, start it. Okay, when you push this, right there, this is the one. When you push, this backside stand comes. And after that, let's go ahead, and there is a 2 screw here. Let's get a screw out. 1 and 2. Let's see how far we can go. Boom. Okay, 2 screw is gone. Alright, so what else? Oh, so many screws here. 1, 2. Let's go and show you guys. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's go ahead, take it out. 1 and 2. And 3. So I know how to tell the number, right? Okay. Alright. What else? Alright. 1, 2, 3. It's gone. I think. Do you think this is gonna go? No. Let's see how we're gonna take it out. If it's not gonna come out, I have another way. Alright, it's pulling this. Sorry guys. Just right. Pull it. Let me show you this way. Take it this way. Fantastica. What else? Alright, maybe I have to pull. Aha! Right there. I think I have to take it out. This guy. I don't know how, but let's see. Let me get out of this. All right. Now this is the guy. Okay. So what else I need to do? Okay, slowly and surely we're getting there. Okay. So. Maybe. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I think I have to take it out. This guy. All right. Let's throw this one. Our way. Okay. What else? I think there's a lot of screws here around this frame. One more time. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 screw. Let's get out the screws. Some others. Yeah, not much. Thanks. I don't know. Okay. 3. And let's see, 4, 5, okay, 6, 7, 7, 8. Each, let me see, 1, 2, 3. Every 3 inch they put the screw. So I think that's good. I don't know. They know. Alright, voila. Let's take it out. Blow, pull. Alright, this is the one. Okay. What we can do, take it out, this guy. I think, hello guys. Okay, let me get closer. Okay. Alright, let's see. Get this out. Let's throw this. Right, what else? These are. So another screw here. One screw here, as you see, another here. Okay, come on, screw. Okay, one screw here. Alright, come on. Oh, how long is that? Okay. That's the way it is. 2 screws for this guy. What is this? I don't know. I think. Oh, it's pushing. I think I have to get this out too, that I can easily take it out. Alright, let's go ahead, take it out. Yeah, man. See, these are screwed too. Different way. Let's. Alright. This has a 4. This kind of. Come on. Alright. Here. One is. Oh, okay. Let me pull this guy. Okay. Alright. This is gone. This is gone. I think. I don't know how I'm gonna maybe pushing this here. Alright, this is gone. This is the one. I don't know what they call, but this is it. There you are. This is for the monitor. Yeah. Okay. Monitor connection. Okay. Yes. So what else? These are the connection for the buttons, as you see. These are the. Okay. What else? Here. I don't know what is this. Let's open this also again. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4 screw. Okay, screw. All the screws. 1, 2,